solving for theta n when I approaches probability bounds.
Maybe. A million things could have gone wrong. The Dutchman ain't talking.
Glad you signed up.
Nice.
On. Means I might get to take the occasional night off.
You might want to flush your system with Radaway before your hair falls out.
It's not an easy road you've chosen, but you're never alone in this.
They just got noodle cups everywhere, man.
You gotta be careful, man. The Institute is everywhere.
Make sure you're never followed here. It's all our asses if you are.
There's more going on than you know. Trust me.
Okay, I think this place is looted. I think I'm gonna work with this guy and say screw the 10 mil silenced thing. I do want a sniper rifle though. I think I need gun nut 2 for that one, yeah. Automatic is way up there. Of course, I need more oil. Need a lot more oil, holy crap. Here we go. Need science rank 1 for this stuff. Yeah, since you guys Oh, I just need more adhesive for this one. Okay. No. Oh yeah, I do need one more little dude. Little footlocker. Right there. Circuitry I might need. You know what? I'll save one. 'Cause each one's worth 5. Yeah, I don't need 25 of them right now. Definitely need that. I don't need a pipe pistol.
Well, if anyone could figure out how to use it.
We going to Diamond City to see about picking up a shotgun.
Yeah? You there! You need a genuine...
Excuse me.
If you're looking to keep your load light,
Let's see what you have.
feel free to test the...
That makes one of the best sniper rifles in the game. Already? I'll take it. Suppression. Maybe because I've already submachine gun those. You know, those. Ooh, I have no 45 rounds. What do I need? I need some 10 mil. Some 38 would be lovely. Really? I know I'm a broke motherfucker. I said I'm a broke motherfucker. Yeah, probably should have sold that. I can't do anything with the shotgun yet. Nope, I can. Just making sure that adhesive selected and everything selected that I may need. Okay, so as far as weapons go, 42, 31, I'm gonna sell you and you, and you, and you, oh boy. How many rataways do I have? Back up to full health. Then we will go back here.
Bet you never met a synth before Glory.
Desdemona told me to give you this.
An extraordinary feat to recover this. But that's hardly the point. Without a lick of training, and us knowing hardly, it would have been...
Sure. What, you don't...
The danger doesn't I just hope the mission...
Uh-huh. You guys recruited me.
Charming. I'm sure you and one of our field agents, Old Man Stockton, needs help with the runaways. So headquarters, as paranoid old bat.
So, is there any...
I've met rad scorpions with less venom.
Oh, I wasn't aware we were competing for The dead drop is a mailbox. It's a common means of communication. When you make contact, the current sign...
You can trust me with this. I'll get it done.
Just don't bollock. Stockton, use the escape tunnel in the back.
When running synths out of the wealth, Wastelanders will be a bigger problem than even the Institute.
No, I didn't want to go here.